Hello Virtuous family, welcome to Virtuous Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what we have for you is how to cook delicious porridge beans with plantain. This porridge beans with plantain is very simple and it is one delicious meal you can eat as breakfast, lunch and even dinner. I came up with a twist of this meal and this is simple and delicious way I do prepare the meal for my family for them to like it. If it happens you are among those who don't like eating beans, just believe you me and try cooking it this method or way. You will definitely begin to like it. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. The recipes we have for the delicious porridge beans with plantain are beans. This beans is called honey beans and unripe plantain. You can use any beans of your choice, or you can as well use ripe plantain instead of unripe plantain. There is no problem about that. I got here onion and garlic. Palm oil, you can as well use vegetable oil, but to be frank with you, palm oil goes very well with beans than vegetable oil. Please, who can relate with that? Let's know at the comment section. This is Scotch, bonnet pepper and fresh tomatoes. This is seasoning cube and dry fish. We call this fish Bonger fish in Nigeria. If you can't place your hand on this, you can use crayfish if you so wish. I got salt, and lastly this is scent leaf. Have you ever tried using scent leaf to cook your porridge beans with plantain before? If no, try it after watching this video and thank me later. Let's pre-cook the beans, and this exercise is going to take about 10 minutes. You can as well soak the beans for 3 to 4 hours, wash and start cooking immediately. That is your choice, but the essence of pre-cooking these beans is to eliminate too much chemical used to store the beans to avoid weevil from entering them. And by so doing, if you are the type that after eating beans you will begin to experience some heartburn, because a lot of people do complain about that, just believe you me that you won't experience any heartburn and the rest of them after pre-cooking your beans before cooking. As the beans is pre-cooking, let's prep the onion, scent leaf, dry fish and set aside. For the Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, fresh tomato and unripe plantain, I'll be prepping them off the camera to save time. Have you liked this video? If not, please hit the like button to encourage us. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe to the channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comment to encourage us as you keep watching. This is 10 minutes later. The beans is pre-cooked. Remove from the heat and wash with a cool water until the water is clean and clear. I'll be washing the beans off the camera to save time as well. This is the beans after washing. Add hot water to the beans a little above the beans and start cooking immediately until the beans softens. As the beans is cooking, let's make the sauce that will take the taste of these beans to another level. My pan is on the heat already. Add palm oil. Please don't bleach the palm oil. Just allow it to heat up just a bit, not much. I've added my prep onion and I sauteed a bit and then added rough blended tomatoes, and I will also stir to combine. Allow it to fry for about 5 to 8 minutes. Here we move to the next stage. As the tomato is frying, let's check the beans. As you can see, the beans is softened. This is honey beans, as I earlier said. It doesn't take time at all to soften. The honey beans took about 25 minutes to soften. Next is to add the prep unripe plantain in the beans. Add more water if needed. Cover and allow to cook as well. Back to the sauce. As you can see, the sauce is dry. Turn off the heat. Please don't allow the sauce to over fry or dry. Alright. Now the beans with the unripe plantain is well cooked. Let's add the dry fish, which is Bonger fish, the roughly blended Scotch bonnet pepper with garlic, seasoning cube, some salt to taste, and lastly the sauce. Spread the sauce out. Please, at this stage, don't stir to avoid burnt. Rinse the saucepan with a little water and add it to the beans. Cover to cook very well until the beans with plantain dries the water in it. This will take about 6 to 8 minutes more. After 8 minutes, we are back on it again. Use your spatula and stir to combine, and then add the scent leaf and allow to cook for just 3 more minutes. This is 3 minutes later. Open and stir very well to combine. To cook these beans took me about 45 to 50 minutes. It is very easy and simple to follow up. Try this recipe and give us your feedback on all our social media. Have you liked this video? If no, please hit the like button to encourage us. Now let's check and balance the taste, and the taste was so perfect and delicious. On this junction, Virtuous family, our delicious porridge beans with plantain is ready. Let's go to the table and do with some good. Wow, Virtuous family, this is the end result. Can you see how beautiful that looks? The Ericha Mechaka one. These beans with plantain tasted so delicious, and you really need to try the recipe. After trying this recipe with scent leaf, you really need to come and thank me later. This meal is so healthy and can be eaten as breakfast, lunch, and even dinner. It is so good and healthy for kids and adults as well. Will you be trying this recipe? Yes, you will. Try this recipe and give us your feedback on all our social media handle as usual. We hope you enjoy watching every clip of today's video, just as we like and enjoy bringing them at your doorstep. If you like and enjoy the video, please give the video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends, and drop your beautiful comment to encourage us. This is all we have for you for today from me and all my crew. Thanks for watching. Always remain blessed, and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.